So then guys, look at I've got. This is a special unboxing, and this is something I've purchased for my personal build. Don't forget, this is Richard from WELSHYTECH, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get into this unboxing. I already know what it is, but I thought I would share it with you. Now, this is something that I have had custom made for myself, and as you can see, it is custom cables. Now, as you can see, now look at these bad boys. Look at these bad boys. Look at those. This is from a guy called Michael from the Wire Mods online. And as you can see, look, I've got this spoiler. I've got my, this is my 8-pin for my GPU. This is CPU with even with cable combs on them, and then this one then is for the this one is GPU, this one is GPU, and this one is CPU. Now, as you can see, look, these are specific to mine. I personally made these myself. The color, as you can see, black, white, black, white, 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 black, white. I specifically made these on Cable Mod for them to be done, and as you can see, these look absolutely stunning. I had custom cables because if you look by here, sorry about the weird angle, trying to adjust my camera. Now, inside all my cables, I've got the HX1000, but the cables are the ones that come with it. So, now I will show you my cables. They're a bit horrible. They do look absolutely disgusting. So, now, but there, as you can see, right there, there's my graphics card cables, and then you see the 24-pin. Well, as you can see from the video, now I had custom cables made for one of two reasons. One, the actual look. Now look at those. They're absolutely stunning. I asked for the black cable combs because it's got more white in the cables than black, so I thought it would actually contrast perfectly for the color. And as you can see, these look absolutely stunning. These are from Michael from To The Wire Mods on Facebook. I was recommended to him by Andy from eTechnics and Ben at eTechnics. Now, they said he's the best one. He's the best to buy from. These cost £63 for 2 GPU cables, a CPU cable, and then the 24-pin, which obviously is the biggest out of all of them. £63 when you compared to going on Cable Mod to actually do them. For Cable Mod, if you want custom cables, just for these particular cables, it's about €120 to have them custom made in this color. I've already priced it out with Cable Mod. I wasn't paying £120, no bloody way. Wasn't worth it for me to spend that kind of money on something that I would use, but something that is too expensive for my taste. Now, yeah, £63 to a lot of people is a lot of money, but to me, for a personal PC, trust me, I've spent more than that on RGB and cable and fans over the years. So, as you can see, look, they all come with their own little cable combs, and these are all aluminium. Yeah, they're metal. So, as you can see, look, they're absolutely perfect. It's stunning, absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to put it in the system and see what they look like in person. These are absolutely stunning, but I thought I would just take you for a ride with me, and once it's up, once the system's all up and running with them all in, I will be doing a video on the look and the finish. Now, as you can see from the video, they look absolutely stunning, especially from what they were. As you can see from normal to this is absolutely stunning. I love the look of them. They look absolutely beautiful. I love the white, the black. I chose these colors because, as you can see, black, white, black. I chose them specifically like this. But this is the main one. Now, I love this 24 pin. It's absolutely stunning. Look at it. It's beautiful. I mean, come on. You can have different colours. You can have. He does any colour you want. Best thing that I would do is, if you want to go to him and buy something, go to Cable Mod on their configurator. Configure a colour. See what you want. And show him a picture of that. That is what I did, and this is what he did for me. This is what I picked online, and I told him, is it possible to have it in this configuration with the black, white, black, white, 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 black, white, black? And he said, yeah, no problem at all. So he was fully booked, but he managed to fit me in early, which I was ecstatic, because I've been waiting for these, and I've been absolutely like a little kid at Christmas with them. So yeah, this is the custom cables from WireMods on Facebook. I will put a link to his website, his Facebook page in the description. His name is Michael. I was recommended to him by etechnics.com. So yeah, this is Richard from WELSHYTECH. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.